Okay. So let's begin with quitting etiquettes. Quitting etiquettes, yani, see, employee who wants to leave the organization, it is his or her choice. Okay, completely his or her choice. Okay, but at the same time, okay, when they are leaving their company, they should make sure that they are leaving with all grace. Okay, what do you mean by grace? मतलब they should make sure they have done their duty, they have completed the given task to them. Okay, they are keeping their table clean, they are returning the resources as they got it from the company. Okay, in the same condition. Okay, so with one should leave with grace. Okay, actually, मैं आपको before getting into the answer, I just want to tell you, हम लोग है ना अलग अलग revolutionaries witness कर चुके हैं. Okay, I think I have said you this before also, but again I'm just repeating. एक टाइम था जब there was industrial revolution. Okay, फिर एक टाइम था जब there was IT revolution. Okay, इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन मुझे लगता है अभी के यूथ के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स फॉर पॉसिबली कैन बी द एग्जाम्पल कि वो लोग है ना उस टाइम पे जब इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन हुआ था, whatever jobs they got, people took it. Okay, because they wanted to survive. Basic roti, kapda, makan, food, clothing, shelter. So they were working for the purpose of survival. Please listen to this carefully, students, because it has to do a lot with the entire answer. So that point of time, students, people used to take up the job because they wanted survival. Okay, they want to have food, clothing, shelter, like that. So वो एक दौर था जहाँ पे boss is always right. Okay, even if the boss is abusive, if physical abusive भी है तो भी लोग शायद कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं because उनको job की need. Okay, उसके बाद में ना स्टूडेंट टाइम चेंज हुआ, देन केम IT revolution. Okay, आई थिंक प्रोबेबली ये जनरेशन के पेरेंट्स ने वो विटनेस किया होगा आईटी रेवोल्यूशन. उस फेज में ना पीपल वर वर्किंग बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू possibly they wanted to upgrade their standard of living. Okay, so they're working because they want to improve their standard of living. There is no need of job as such. Okay, in the sense need hai, but then the purpose of working is to improve the standard of living. Okay, फर्स्ट जनरेशन वो वाला जनरेशन, कभी इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन वाला जनरेशन नीड था उनको. आईटी रेवोल्यूशन के टाइम पे लोगों के पास थे ऑप्शंस. इफ दे डोंट लाइक द जॉब, दे विल स्विच टू अनदर जॉब. They are working because they want to pay the EMIs of possibly car loan, home loan, education loan. इन सब चीजों के लिए एक्सपेंसेस करते हैं, इंश्योरेंस पे करते हैं, इंश्योरेंस का प्रीमियम पे करते हैं. सो दिस IT रिवोल्यूशन के टाइम पे लोग है ना जॉब करते थे बिकॉज स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग इम्प्रूव करना था. ओके, then comes the third revolution. I think the current phase अभी जो है social and digital revolution. अभी IT 2008 में IT revolution का एक changing phase था because इंटरनेट बिकमिंग सो पॉपुलर एंड अभी कोडिंग वोडिंग के लिए आपको ना कहीं और क्लासेस की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन गो टू द यूट्यूब एंड लर्न कोडिंग. ओके, नथिंग इज सीक्रेट, एवरीथिंग इज ओपन. ओके, द इंफॉर्मेशन इज बिकमिंग वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट टू एवरीवन. ओके, तो प्रेजेंट जनरेशन है ना, उनके पास में हजारों ऑप्शंस है. आज अगर उनको बॉस बोलते हैं ना कि आई वांट यू टू वर्क फॉर पेपर, we will have a contract for 5 years. Okay, or I will deduct your salary. ऐसा अगर कुछ employer बोलेगा ना, employee will say sorry, thank you, bye bye. Okay, why is that so? Because current generation has got lot many opportunities. Okay, ये वाले revolution के अंदर loyalty थोड़ी कम होती है organization को लेकर के because they have got many opportunities. Now let me tell you, students, loyalty actually did not even exist in the first place. वो जो IT revolution था और उसके पहले industrial revolution था ना, that time also loyalty as such was not there. But then there was a need of the job. Okay, one is not leaving the organization because he wants to fulfill roti kapda makan, because he wants to pay the loans that he has taken. Okay, but the current generation is not like that. Okay, they can hop to any other industry, hop to any other company, because they have lot many opportunities. Everything is there on the social media. Internet becoming so popular that one is having access to so many things. Okay, so social revolution को आप लोग belong करते हो. I think in the coming years there will be even more opportunities. Of course, you need to upgrade your skills. You need to keep yourself very updated. Okay, and you can grab the opportunities. Okay, तो ये 3 phases में जो students अलग अलग experiences था ना, अभी ये जो क्विटिंग एटिकेट्स है ना, वो थोड़ा आप देखोगे थोड़ा कम हो गया है. People quit the job even without informing. Okay, you know what can be the negative consequences? आप लोग मेरे को बताओगे what can be the negative consequences? Come on. You are running an organization and your people are leaving the job without even informing you, So tell me, what can be the negative consequences? Guys, I'm audible ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes,
थोड़ा
ma'am.
सोचो, थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ कि मेरे ही लोग कंपनी छोड़ के जाते हैं विदाउट मुझे इन्फॉर्म किए, तो क्या नुकसान होगा मेरा उससे? कम ऑन.
मैम एम्प्लॉय कम हो जाएंगे.
हाँ, साइज ऑफ द एम्प्लॉय इज रिड्यूसिंग. ओके, वेरी नाइस आदित्य.
उसकी वजह से वर्क पे इफेक्ट होगा मैम.
वर्क अफेक्ट होगा. वेरी नाइस सरिता. एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रेजेंट सेट ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड पीपल, ओके, क्वांटिटी वाइज कम हो रहे हैं, तो 100% उसका काम किसी और को भी करना पड़ रहा होगा, है ना? तो यस, वर्क इज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड. Present set of employees are reducing, and what else?
कंपनी के
कंपनी
loss.
में रेपुटेशन
लॉस.
Sorry, मैं what company?
कंपनी में फेस अ ह्यूज फाइनेंशियल लॉस.
Yes, why not? If my people are leaving without informing me, the work is getting affected. 100% it is going to have an impact on my profitability. Correct? Very good. Sorry, Aditya, अभी कुछ बोल रहे थे?
Yes, मैम, मैं वही बोल रहा था.
Acha, okay, all right. So financial losses can be something which the company has to bear. So students, there are so many negative consequences. The list is non-ending. Okay, let us get into the textbook and begin with the answer, that is quitting etiquettes. Even if you want to quit as an employee, what you should take care of, certain things. Okay, मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा read करवाती हूँ and we will see the head pointers. Meg, can you read from your quitting techniques?
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Just a moment. I thought my screen is. We begin with quitting techniques. All right. Yeah. Okay. I'm sure it is visible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us begin. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Quitting techniques. Employee retention is the greatest HR a challenge, but for organization with strong cultures, good compensation, healthy work environment will not face the problem of employees leaving the organization quite often. Low profit margin businesses will have the employee leaving the organization quite often. Regardless the cause, quitting job is not an easy thing to do. Miscommunication, hurting of feelings, potential networking ties, all are like to get disturbed if quitting is not done in a proper manner. Employee must take care to avoid certain pitfalls and leave the job gracefully. The following are some of the techniques that employees should keep in mind before quitting the organization.
Yeah, I think very beautifully it is written here in the textbook that quitting is seen more in case of companies which are making losses. Of course, कोई भी employee loss making organization के साथ associate नहीं होना चाहेंगे. And whereas those organizations which are profit making, having good corporate culture, okay, is very professional in its attitude, is having modern approach, you will not find people leaving such kind of organizations, okay. But however, if people are leaving the job, and if they're leaving in not a good manner, in the sense, if the quitting is not done in a proper manner, it is going to disturb the environment. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम एक टीम में काम करते हैं और हमारी टीम में से कोई एक पर्टिकुलर मेंबर इज लीविंग द जॉब, ओके, एंड इज नॉट इन्फॉर्मिंग और इज नॉट हैविंग द क्लैरिटी, और इफ देयर इज सम मिसकम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन द एम्प्लॉयर एंड द एम्प्लॉय, तो अगर कोई हमारा टीम मेंबर जाता है तो इट इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट द एंटायर टीम. समवेयर आवर नेटवर्किंग विल बी डिस्टर्ब. ओके, हम लोग जो 8-10 लोगों की ग्रुप है, सडनली उसमें से एक पर्सन जाता है तो ये बाकी के रिमेनिंग पीपल गेट नेगेटिव, है ना. सो आई थिंक देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स टू बी टेकन केयर, सो दैट you do not make the organization suffer while you are quitting the job, as well as you're not making your people suffer. Okay, there are some of the techniques which can be kept in mind before quitting the organization. A very fast reading is required. So what I do is, first point Mehak, second point Sarita, third point Mehak, like this, and a very quick reading. Okay, Mehak, first point.
The employee should convey to the boss that she would be leaving the job. The employee quitting the organization should schedule his talk with the employer well in advance before the boss comes to know about it from someone else.
I think very important. For example, if I am quitting the job, okay, I should be informing my manager before my colleagues informing my manager. Okay, so there are certain things that you should remember. These are basic etiquettes. Okay, as an employee, I should know that I should follow these basic etiquettes. The first thing is, if I plan to quit, I should inform my boss from my own. Okay? My boss should not discover it from somebody else. Okay, for example, लेकिन मैंने अपने बॉस को जाके बाद में बोला, he would be very hurt, no, that he is getting to know it from other people. Okay, so this is a very basic etiquette. You are planning to quit, you inform your boss and not the other people informing him. कभी भी ना हम लोग पता है कब ज्यादा हर्ट होते हैं, जब हमें दूसरों से पता चलता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप लोग 3-4 फ्रेंड्स हैं, ओके, एंड Aditya is planning to shift abroad to say Russia, Germany, something like that. Okay, and उसने बोला अपने 1-2 फ्रेंड्स को, और उसने अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स को बोलने से पहले 2-3 उसके फ्रेंड्स थे, उसने उनको बता दिया. अब आदित्य के जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स है ना, उनको आदित्य के फ्रेंड्स ने बताया, oh, he is planning to Russia. Okay, now for example, I am Aditya's best friend. Okay, I would be very, very, very hurt that, okay, firstly, though, ये detachment that, my friend is going to fly abroad. He is not going to be around me. एक तो वही चीज disturbing होगा. Second thing that I got to know from his friends and not from him. And then when he arrives and when he tells me, I'm planning to fly abroad, तो उस टाइम पे मैं ना हैप्पीनेस और सैडनेस का कोई मिक्स इमोशन नहीं रहेगा. उस टाइम पे I'll be hurt because that point of time I got to know from somebody else and not from him directly. Similarly, students and organizations also. Okay, your boss should get to know from the employee who is planning to quit and not from the others. I hope it is clear, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, all right, Sarita, point number 2.
Explain the reasons for quitting. The employee quitting, the organization should explain his loss rationally, the reason for the same. She must not be upset, not should use such a language that will hurt others. This is because bringing up any problem at this stage would show unprofessionalism and is likely to damage the further potentials if the employee plans to stay in the same field.
Yeah, I think extremely important that you reason out in context to why you want to leave the job. Okay, you should have some valid reasons of leaving the job, and then importantly, don't get personal matters or things in between. Okay, that would be very unprofessional. Okay, like for example, I want to quit the job because I'm not comfortable with my manager. Does not mean that when I'm quitting, I'm going to start telling all the personal reasons. Okay, that is not correct. Okay, this will be very unprofessional, and at the same time, it is not going to be favorable to the employee, because if he wants to stay in the same field, okay, so he has to remember one thing, किसी और company में जब वो जाएंगे तो वो company reference check के लिए is going to talk to the previous employer. Okay, तो आप अपने employment place पे है ना, जितना हो सके be very professional. You are not happy working there, you have certain reasons, you can quit, but don't make it sound unprofessional. Okay, see, you are working in the company and you are sharing a professional relationship with your friends and colleagues. Okay, those people are your friends outside your company, not inside your company. Okay, so within the organization, you all share a professional equation. Okay, तो वो professional equation खराब नहीं होना चाहिए. That is very important. Okay, you cannot get personal things in between. Of course, you can be friends outside the company forever. Okay, that is another thing. Okay, but inside the company, you cannot be behaving, irrationally. Okay, so this is something which is very important. Okay, moving on to point number 3.
Write a resignation letter.
Continue.
Write a resignation letter and give proper notice. The resignation letter is required for updating the records. The resignation letter should be written in brief and in a professional manner, stating clearly the last date. The employee should give a proper notice period so as to enable the organization to search for a better replacement.
Yeah, I think it is again a sign of professionalism. You got to put up your resignation letter and give a proper notice period, so that उतना time company के पास में है to find out another person at your replacement. Okay, so give a proper resignation letter and make sure that you are serving the notice period. Every company has different notice period. कुछ organizations का 3 month होता है notice period, कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का 2 मंथ होता है, किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का 1 मंथ होता है. तो serve the notice period. Okay, this would look very nice. Even the employer will have no complaints. Okay. So do that. And then the next one is
Keep up the hard work until the end. This is a common tendency that employees start slacking as soon as the job has an expiration date. The quitting employee must finish all projects and ask the boss if there is nothing that can be done to make the transition easier, such as training the replacement or creating a set of detailed instructions for the successor. Nice gestures like this solidify the good relation, helps in maintaining great networking connection with the former colleagues.
I think it is when you are serving the notice period, you should not have that kind of, that, oh, any which ways I'm leaving the company. Why should I put hard work? Why should I do extra efforts? ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. You should, till the end of your last date, your commitment should be the same. Okay. And then you should talk to your boss if anything can be done. कि भाई मैं जा रही हूँ तो before me leaving and before my replacement coming चाहिए, तो उस रिप्लेसमेंट को अगर मेरे जगह पे जो आ रहे हैं उन्हें मुझे ट्रेनिंग देना है तो बताओ. आई विल डू दैट. ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन हिम हाउ टू डू द वर्क. आई थिंक बाय डूइंग दिस आई विल हैव अ स्ट्रांग नेटवर्किंग विद माय पीपल. ओके, एंड माय एक्स बॉसेस और माय एक्स कॉलीग्स के साथ में मेरा नेटवर्किंग स्ट्रांग रहेगा, एंड दिस वुड अगेन लुक वेरी प्रोफेशनल. ओके, सो yes, keep up the hard work until the end. Then moving on to point number 5.
Tidy up the desk. The employee quitting his job should wipe up dust, clean off the keyboard, throw away trash, and take away all his personal belongings. This is to ensure that whoever works thereafter should not deal with the dirty desk.
Yeah, I think this does not only states about the quitting etiquettes, it also talks about the personal discipline, mannerisms, and hygiene standards. Before you leave the company, you should make sure that your desk is clean. Okay, you are giving your keyboard, your laptops, your things are all well in order. I'm so sorry. So you should always hand over the resources in the condition it was given to you. Okay, this is again very important. We will just take the last point as point number 6.
If asked to give an exit interview, be honest and polite. Exit interviews are either held in one-to-one or employee are asked to fill a form. This exit interviews express the opinion of the quitting employee about the organization, which can be a great value to overcome the loopholes in the system, if any.
Yeah, I think, guys, 1 minute. I'm so sorry, I got cold. Yeah. So I think during the exit interview, it is very important that you should be very honest and polite. Okay, exit interview is an interview which is conducted is only specifically to those employees who are leaving the organization. Okay, that's what we are going to study in the coming answer. Okay, कि क्यों हम लोग exit interview conduct करते हैं, what is the purpose, and exit interview के time पे employee can be very brutal enough. यानी ब्रूटली यानी कि जितना उसको बोलना है वो बोल सकते हैं सच कि एनीवेज इज लीविंग द कंपनी, राइट? तो उसका जो भी ओपिनियन है, the employer should, the HR team should consider it as a valuable suggestion and should work on it. हो सकता है सिस्टम में कुछ loopholes है, टैलेंटेड एम्प्लॉयज जब छोड़ के जा रहे हैं और वो लोग कुछ बोल रहे हैं ना कि आपके फॉल्ट है, आपके पॉलिसीज में फॉल्ट है, आपके वर्किंग स्टाइल में फॉल्ट है, तो सुनो, क्योंकि अगर आपका टैलेंटेड पर्सन छोड़ के जा रहा है मतलब समथिंग इज रॉन्ग इन द सिस्टम. Okay, but at the same time, if you are the employee who is quitting the job, okay, and appearing for the exit interview, please be very polite. Okay, you can be brutal enough, you can be assertive and straightforward, लेकिन polite तरीके से. Okay, politely यानी कि you should say the same things. Your complaints can be, said in the same manner, okay, but with more polite words. Okay, I think हम में से ना काफी लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत क्विक रिएक्ट करते हैं, जो थोड़ा शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड होते हैं. I think we should work on those areas. It's extremely important to project yourself in a very professional way. Okay, I think 6-7 reasons are sufficient. Okay, 6 reasons we have, 6 techniques we have already seen for an employee who is quitting the job. Very quickly, I'm moving on to exit interview. Okay, and its importance. We have total 6-7 importance of exit interview. We will study the meaning first. What is exit interview? Okay, Sarita, you can read from here.
Exit interview. The interview taken at the time when the employee leaves the organization is called as exit interview. It is taken to know what factor in the organization have compelled the employee to do so. They are conducted when an employee gives the resignation and it has been accepted by the company. All the financial dues are settled at this time. The office equipment, stationery, documents, etc. Whatever in the possession of the employee are held over to the office staff. The exit interviews, if conducted properly, can be a good source of information.
Yes, if it is done carefully, it can really help you a lot because your employee who is leaving the company will share his opinions and suggestions to you, and you should really work on them. So basically, this is an interview which is taken at the time when the employee leaves the organization. His resignation is accepted. He has completed his notice period. He has handed over all the, resources, stationery items, whatsoever. It is handed over to the office staff. Okay, and let us see how exit interview can be a good source of information or what is the importance. Okay, Mehak.
It gives the company an idea of the pay scales offered by the competitors and whether the working condition in the organization whether requires improvement.
Yeah, in case the employee is stating that he is not happy with the salary part, okay, so the employer can start analyzing भाई मैं कितना सैलरी दे रहा हूँ और कॉम्पिटिटर्स क्या ऑफर कर रहे हैं मार्केट में. ओके, वन शुड ऑलवेज फॉलो इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड्स. ओके, व्हाट इज इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड्स? जो कि हर कंपनी फॉलो करती है. फॉर एग्जांपल HDFC is also giving to the freshers 10,000. ICICI is also giving 10,000. Kotak Mahindra is also giving 10,000. Okay, but what if Axis is giving 9,000? तो वहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय कम नहीं करेंगे. And if they leave the organization, Axis has to realize where they are going wrong. Okay, so they have to compare the salary offered by them and the salary offered by the competitors. Again, हो सकता है कि during the exit interview employee ने थोड़ा सा dissatisfaction बताया है towards the working conditions. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अच्छी लाइटिंग नहीं था, अच्छा टॉयलेट फैसिलिटी नहीं था, कैफेटेरिया नहीं था, हो सकता है ना आपको एम्प्लॉय ये एक्सपीरियंस भी शेयर करे, सो यू शुड वर्क ऑन देम. ओके, पॉइंट नंबर 2. यस मैं.
Exit interviews accelerate participating managers' understanding and experience of managing people and organization. Hearing and handling feedback is a powerful development process.
Yes, I think this is something good for the managers, because once he conducts the exit interview, he will be having a lot of feedback from the employee. Okay, I think for a good manager to handle people and to handle criticisms, constructive criticisms, is going to be extremely important. वो manager वो नया चीज सीखने वाला है. Okay, so this is going to accelerate the manager's understanding and experience. Okay, I think very important, because manager का काम सिर्फ लोगों से काम करवाना नहीं है. Okay, we always say na in management, you are paid for getting the work done. At the end of the day, managers are paid only for doing one thing, that is taking decisions. Okay, they actually don't do the work, they get the work done, right? So for them, this kind of interviews will help them to experience people's feedback and people's opinion about the company. तो ये बहुत ही पावरफुल डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस होगा, क्योंकि मैनेजर इंटरव्यू के दौरान बहुत सारे क्रिटिसिज्म सुनने वाला है ना. तो उस क्रिटिसिज्म को कैसे लेना चाहिए और उस क्रिटिसिज्म पे कैसे काम करना चाहिए, ये एक डेवलपमेंटल प्रोसेस है. सो दैट्स गुड थिंग फॉर द मैनेजर. ओके, पॉइंट नंबर 3.
The results and analysis of exit interviews provide relevant and useful data about training needs analysis and planning for training process.
Yeah, possibly the employee states that he was not able to do the work because he was not knowing how to do the work. So that means you have to strengthen your training and development process. So exit interview will help me to work on my training and development centers. Then point number 4.
Exit interviews provide valuable information as to how to improve recruitment procedures and induction methods of new employees. Exit interviews provide direct indication as to how to improve staff retention. Sometimes an
Yeah,
exit
continue. Sorry.
Ma'am, fourth point is done.
Now fourth point is done. Now, okay, I think my screen is automatically, you can notice now the calculator is getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So exit interviews provide valuable information, okay, especially in areas of recruitment and induction. हो सकता है कि कंपनी ने ही फॉल्टी रिक्रूटमेंट किया है. ओके, सो इट विल बी ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू. ओके, एग्जिट इंटरव्यू हो सकता है एम्प्लॉय से बात करते हुए आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि आपकी कंपनी की मिस्टेक थी, कंपनी ने रिक्रूटमेंट प्रॉपरली नहीं किया. Okay, for example, during the recruitment procedure, you mentioned in the advertising paper that you will be giving promotions after 6 months. अभी एम्प्लॉय को काम करके 1.5 साल हो गया, आपने प्रमोशन दिया नहीं. ओके, तो एग्जिट इंटरव्यू में वो बोल देगा कि यू मेंशन इन योर एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स एंड देन यू आर नॉट प्रमोटिंग मी. सो इन दैट केस स्टूडेंट्स, द कंपनी विल रियलाइज वेयर आर दे गोइंग रॉन्ग. ओके, उनका रिक्रूटमेंट में कितना फॉल्ट है, और हो सकता है इंडक्शन में भी कुछ चीजें क्लियर नहीं हुई थी, तो यानी कि आपने इंडक्शन भी प्रॉपरली कंडक्ट नहीं किया था. तो अभी आप नेक्स्ट टाइम ध्यान दोगे कि इंडक्शन करते टाइम पे एक्सपर्ट्स करें और कंपनी के पॉलिसीज के बारे में प्रॉपर डिटेलिंग दे. ये मिसकम्युनिकेशन के वजह से, लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग के वजह से एक अच्छा एम्प्लॉय शायद जॉब छोड़ के जा रहा है. Okay, I hope I'm not going very fast. Since it is very simple to understand, I'm moving point wise. कुछ रहेगा तो अपने को बोलो wherever you are not understanding. Inductions का मैंने meaning इसलिए नहीं बताया because you have already studied the answer of induction. You know now what it is. Okay, you are giving information to your fully joined employee. Yes, about the company's policy, organization structure, history of the company, working methods, everything. तो अगर वहां पे कुछ लूप होल्स हैं तो एग्जिट इंटरव्यू के टाइम में वो पता चल जाएगा. ओके, पॉइंट नंबर 5.
Sometimes an exit interview provides the chance to retain a valuable employee who would otherwise have left. Organization often accept resignations without discussion or testing the firmness of feeling. The exit interview provides a final safety against this practice.
हाँ, क्योंकि अगर कोई एम्प्लॉय रेजिग्नेशन दे रहा है तो एम्प्लॉयर की ड्यूटी है उसे एक्सेप्ट करना विदाउट क्वेश्चनिंग। लेकिन एग्जिट इंटरव्यू में अगर वो कोई वैलिड रीजन दे रहा है ना लीव करने का, ओके, और अगर वो बहुत टैलेंटेड एम्प्लॉय है, फॉर एग्जांपल सरिता इज appearing for exit interview, she's a very talented employee and she's giving me valid reasons, okay, that she's telling me that to the HR team that company is giving so many projects at one point of time. Okay, I cannot do justice to all the project. Okay, you have to understand I work like a human being and not like a machine. अब मेरे को यहाँ पे समझ में आ गया कि कंपनी की मिस्टेक है, सरिता की मिस्टेक नहीं है. तो इन दिस केस एग्जिट इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे आई कैन ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू रिटेन सरिता and not let her leave the organization, especially if during her service period she has been performing well. अगर उसका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा है तो आई विल नॉट लेट हर लीव द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Okay, so this is what one should always understand, ki exit interview is just not for a goodbye to the employee. Okay, it is also sometimes retaining the valuable employee. Okay, point number 6.
It helps in significant reduction of the cost associated with the employee attrition.
You know what is employee attrition. I have taught you, but again I just explain you. एक rate होता है जो calculate किया जाता है, that is called as attrition rate. What is attrition? Employee leaving the organization is called as attrition. It is always calculated numerically. For example, 100 में से 10 employee छोड़ के चले गए तो मेरा attrition rate 10% है. Okay, फिर present year में समझो 100 में से सिर्फ 5 ही जन गए तो मेरा attrition rate वैसे कैलकुलेट होगा. So number of people who are leaving my organizations, okay, I'm calculating through the help of percentage. So अगर मेरे को exit interview में if I get to know certain things, I can definitely handle the cost which is associated with the employee attrition, because people who are leaving the organization हो सकता है उनमें से कोई बहुत talented है. Okay, so and I let me tell you students, employees जब job छोड़ के जाते हैं ना तो उनके साथ ही साथ बहुत नुकसान होता है, because नए एम्प्लॉयज को हायर करना एक्सपेंस है, उन्हें ट्रेनिंग देना एक्सपेंस है, उन्हें कंपनी में एडजस्ट करवाना एक्सपेंस है. करेक्ट ना? ये सारी चीजों को आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो अगर आप एग्जिट इंटरव्यू में किसी को रिटेन कर पाओ तो. I think the last point left, I don't know how much minutes is there. Can we just complete the 7th point quickly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Exit interview can be a win and win situation for both the organization and the employee leaving the organization. The employer keeps key knowledge and make it available to others, which list also learning more about the reality of each employee's real experience within the company. The departing employee is made to feel valued for his or her feedback and opinions.
I think it's a win-win situation to both. The organization will get to know so many things, so many loopholes in the system, and on the other hand, the employee will also feel कि अरे भाई मैं जा रही हूँ तो मुझे directly भेज नहीं दिया, मेरा interview conduct हुआ है, I have been asked, why I'm leaving the organization and all of it. So I think this will make anyone feel very valued. Okay, so it's a win-win situation to both the company as well as to the employee. I hope the answer is very simple to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
आज हमने क्या स्टडी किया, थोड़ा फास्ट गई हूँ, but I hope the answer is very simple.